Alright, so today I'm installing a aFe powered transmission pan. That's the old pan. All you gotta do is remove all the bolts around the pan. Leave the two last ones on each side, which is this one, that one, and this one. Loosen it up all around, and then leave those four at the end. And then what you want to do is you're going to loosen the ones up front from the closer to the engine completely out, and the whole thing's going to drain out. Leave it draining, then remove your two last bolts, then slide it out. And now what you want to do with the magnet, which is here, you want to put it over here, and it comes with a washer and a bolt. And what you want to do, you want to put some blue thread lock on that bolt and tighten it down till it stops. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to install the new filter, the gasket, and that extra pickup tube that comes with the kit. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. Alright, so it comes with a ring and the extra long pickup tube. It has a groove in here and inside this extender. So what you want to do, you want to put in the O-ring inside of there. I put a little lube on it from the transmission. You slide it in there, and then what you want to do, you want to slide it on here like that, and it'll stay on there so it doesn't fall out. The next step, we're going to put the filter into the transmission. And we're going to put this onto the truck. You know, this just pops right in the truck. So pop, you hear the pop, and now it's in there. All right, so the filter's on with the pickup tube. Now we're gonna install the oil pan. All right, so the pan, you torque them down to 8 foot-pounds, all those bolts. What I did back here, I reused the old ones because you can't get the Allen key in there. So I just reused the 3-4 of them on this side. One broke, so I didn't even reuse it, but it doesn't leak. And then I put this drain plug and this drain plug, and that's pretty much it. Now you got to fill it up. It's got the fill plug right there. You can see it. You remove that, and it has a yellow dipstick in there. So this thing takes 6 quarts more than what you usually put in there. So I'm probably thinking 13 quarts altogether. We'll see.